Hi there. My name is Amos Goodman. I'm the president of New Genesis Enterprises Incorporated. New Genesis is a real estate investing company that buys and sells real estate to their own portfolio. So we're not real estate agents or brokers. We're happy to deal with real estate brokers and agents, however, in order to acquire the proper properties. We're mainly interested in 1 to 4 family units, apartment buildings, and we also are interested in distressed property or distressed owners. That means that owners that are in foreclosure or where they have been notified that their mortgage is in default, uh, we can often help them to get them out of a bad situation without making it worse. We don't promise that we can solve every situation, but we will give it a try. So we can often do a short sale or loan modification if you're qualified. So I'm asking you to give us a chance. Thank you.